Hi, my name is Gokul Narayan and I'm the lead faculty with the Asian School of Cyber Laws. The primary purpose of making this video is to answer a lot of questions that our prospective students have. It is believed by a lot of people that this is a subject of the future, and the subject of information technology law is something that is going to develop in the country in the next few years. This, however, is not completely correct, and I'd say that it's rather inaccurate. It was a very important subject of the future 10 to 15 years back when I started studying this subject. As of today, it is the biggest reality that faces the Indian economy. In fact, it is one of the biggest realities that faces the world. So one of the most common questions that I get from prospective students is, what are the advantages of studying cyber law? To put it very simply in a nutshell, cyber law is a subject of law that affects every aspect of everyday life. The idea being all aspects of life, starting from your basic ration card details, to your driver's license details, to your admission cards in colleges, to your PAN card and account related details. All of this information is stored in databases around the country and specifically around the world. Now, the law relating to this, which governs this field, and the law which governs the field relating to crimes in this field, is what information technology law is. The question arises, especially from the legal fraternity, why would you want to study this subject? The sad part is, as of today, the curriculum in most law colleges does not include information technology as a mandatory subject. It, according to me, should be a subject that should be taught along with contracts, which is a basic law subject without which the understanding of the legal world in itself would be incomplete. Now, on the other hand, if you are not a part of the legal fraternity, as in a law student or a practicing advocate, and you belong to fields like engineering, or you're a doctor or studying to be a doctor or a banker, an understanding of this subject still is of utmost importance, because irrespective of the field that you work or practice in, information technology and its various aspects affect you both in daily life as well as in your professional life. Now, what companies nowadays are looking at, or organizations nowadays are looking at, are employees who are well versed with the basics of security, technology, and an understanding of law. If you have this kind of an understanding and knowledge before you join the organization, it becomes easier for organizations and companies to hire you. The next question that I want to speak to you about is, why do the diploma in cyber law with the Asian School of Cyber Laws? The answers are very simple. Asian School of Cyber Laws is one of the first organizations which started creating relevant course material in the field of information technology. This organization was started off in 1999, and we have had affiliations with various prestigious law colleges in India starting in 2004. We have been the pioneers in this subject since that date and have trained law enforcement personnel from the police departments to the research and analysis wing to the Central Bureau of Investigation, judges, attorney generals across the country. In fact, we also have the experience of teaching people from law enforcement agencies outside India. Please also bear in mind the fact that apart from making course material that is easy to understand, we also spend a lot of time trying to make sure that our content is constantly updated. It is a field which requires a lot of effort from our core team to create quality course material which is constantly updated and provides the best perspective possible in the country today. Keeping all this in mind, the Information Technology Law course, which is the Diploma in Cyber Law course offered by Asian School of Cyber Laws, happens to be one of the best options available to you in the market. I would still go on to say, there are other courses available. You should do your research and then decide which course fits your budget, fits your time availability, and fits your need. However, in case you still have questions after watching this video about the advantages and details of this course, please feel free to get in touch with us. Our counselors are eager to speak to you and give you the best possible answers to your questions. Thank you so much.